In this video, we are going to set up the foundation for React development by installing Node.js. Node.js is essential for running React applications and managing packages. Let's get started. Node.js is a JavaScript runtime built on Chrome's V8 engine. This means it allows you to run JavaScript on the server side. Traditionally, JavaScript was primarily used for front-end development in web browsers. Node.js enables you to use JavaScript for back-end development, creating a unified language for your entire application. Node.js is crucial for React development because it provides access to the NPM ecosystem, which is a vast collection of open-source packages and React libraries. Additionally, Node.js provides essential build tools for bundling, transpiling, and setting up development servers, streamlining the React development process. When downloading Node.js, you will typically see two options: the LTS version and the current version. The LTS version, which stands for long-term support, is recommended for most users as it offers stability and reliability. The current version contains the latest features but might be less stable. For beginners, it is generally best to choose the LTS version. The first step to install Node.js is to visit the official Node.js website, which is Node.js.org. Once on the site, download the recommended LTS version. After downloading, run the installer and follow the prompts to complete the installation process. Make sure to accept the default settings for a smooth installation. To verify that Node.js has been installed correctly, open your command prompt or terminal. Type the command node version and press enter. This will display the installed version of Node.js. Next, type the command npm version and press enter. This will display the installed version of npm, which is the Node package manager. Seeing the version numbers confirms that Node.js and npm are properly installed. Now that Node.js is installed, let's test it with the React project. Open your command prompt or terminal and type the command npx create react app myapp. This command uses npm's npx tool to create a new React application named myapp. This process may take a few minutes as it sets up all the necessary files and dependencies. Congratulations! You now have Node.js and npm installed on your system, providing the foundation for React development. With Node.js set up, you are ready to build amazing React applications. Happy coding! If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.